If you only knew the power of the dark side.
So hello and welcome guys to a new video of me, Monsterlol. And first I want to say thanks a lot for all the support and that I finally reached 1k subscribers on YouTube. So, and the Pakour video, I'm working on it, but I can't do it this weekend because first it's raining outside. That's quite a bit ugly for me to do it, and my camera buddy is too busy at the moment, so I'm gonna work on it next week and probably will release it next weekend. First of all, I want to show you guys all my upgrades on Mega Walls I have, because a lot of people ask me for that. I'm first gonna show you that, and after you will see a Mega Walls video when I play Golem. So first of all, skeleton. Well, actually I didn't upgrade the skeleton explosive shop because it was garbage before the update, so I still have it on the one. It's quite bugged. My interface is quite bugged. The solving skill is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So not that much. The agility skill is on 6. The kit, of course, maxed. I want that shiny diamond helmet. No, and the power 3 bow. And finally, it gets 2 health potions. Finally. So actually we have the efficiency skill that is on 6 too, and of course no prestige. To the next class, zombie. Now of course the brain deck class, it needs to be upgraded. The healing, of course, on 9. The toughness with the resistance is on 8, and we got zombie skill berserk. I don't upgrade it because I'm like getting it never, so I just left it right here on 6. The kit is of course maxed, and the gathering tool is garbage, so I didn't upgrade it. Creeper class. Starting with the detonation, I have it on 7 because it's doing a lot of damage, but this 21.5k coins, 22, is just too much for only 1 more damage. So the minions is quite funny. It gives me a lot of kills because lucky guys always survive with 1 heart or something like that, and it spawns quite often. The creeper willpower is, yeah, it's garbage, so I didn't upgrade it because if you fall underneath 2 hearts, you're probably dead anyway. Kit maxed, gathering tool on 5 because I did some Mega Walls videos for that. Enderman, yep, it's fully maxed out. No, it's not prestiged. No. I'm not gonna spend 250k coins for 2 more hearts. It's not worth it. Herobrine, Wrath, of course, maxed. The power is on 8 because the strength is really hard to handle. On 6 is Flurry because I think 36% is a lot, and it's enough. Kit maxed for the diamond sword, and the gathering tool is garbage, so I left it on 55%.
Microphone muted.
What's that blood effect? Oh. And we got Dreadlord. Where is it? Here.
Microphone activated.
So we got Dreadlord right here. The ability is on 5. The Soul Eater is at 15% chance. On 5 there's the Soul Siphon with the regen and strength after a kill. Kit maxed and chance of dropping iron ingots is on 62% with level 5. Shaman, it's Tornado on 6, Heroism on 6, the Wolf Pack is on level 3, Kit maxed, and Gathering Tool is on 4. Oh. Arcanist, yeah, that's my lowest class, I guess. It's on 6 the Beam, then on 5 the Tempest with the energy gain after killing someone and speed. Then the Arcane Explosion. I just still think you hurt yourself with that, so I'm not upgrading that at all. The kit I got only on 7 because the projectile protection enchantment is like, no, I don't need that. And the arcane mining skill is, yeah, you can leave it on level 1 because you won't mine while the game. Now Golem. I got Golem's Iron Punch on 5 with 11 damage. The Iron Heart is on 4 because from here to here it jumps to 2 hearts. Observation hearts, that's quite a lot and worth to upgrade. Iron whatever. I got it on 6, so I gain resistance if I get hit by a bow. The kit is maxed. I like the diamond shoes and the chest plate. Quite tanky. And gathering tool is on 4. Gathering talent, I'm sorry. So yeah, that's for the upgrades, and now we get into a game of Golem where red was getting, let's say, crushed really hard by a full diamond bulldozer. We'll say it like that. Okay, enjoy the video.
Can't use Golem. They said we can't use Golem. Oh no, because they
apparently
don't have Golem.
Because they're bad.
I don't have any max goals. No.
That's next gen defense right there, Kevo.
Yeah, we have like 5 max Golem in AYS right now.
Fuck you!
It's a little bit effective.
Oh, you're a motherfucking prick.
Oh, Navius, I see
He's
you.
just a fucking slow bot.
Yeah, you did.
That's you.
Yeah.
Just let you go.
Oh, the walls fall? Oh shit.
I don't even have armor. Oh damn.
Same.
Well,
Why didn't you guys
really
let me mine
tried
it?
to get you guys.
Okay.
You guys are bad.
How'd they put a fucking slow pot to that
Dude,
prick?
MPSD, stop trying chaos. God.
No, I just wanted to
There
get
is a slow pot for a reason.
You
Yeah,
fucking
team
arsehole.
briefing.
Oh my god, MPSD, that guy had the no hit glitch.
Fuck.
I need to get
Damn, Kevos. They have a chest plate.
I'm gonna kill
There's a
him.
max golem right there? Okay, you need help.
Monster, did you get 10?
No help.
Yep.
Don't worry.
Rah!
Dead.
Okay, why did you
10!
move?
MPST! 10!
What you gonna make?
Come back here, Max Golem.
Already getting
Helmet.
terminated, I love it.
10!
Monster! Here, full diamond. What?
Oh yeah,
I'm
we
max
Full
Golem.
diamond
OP.
monster! Full diamond monster!
There's no way I was gonna kill with
Wait,
this.
give me
I
the
already tried
leftovers.
I'm green.
I
Give
already
me the
clutched.
leftover. And then can I get the leftover monsters?
Get that fight
Yeah.
Oh wait,
speed.
MPSD, yellow. Oh, I was trying to help you for a second.
Oh my god.
Go get him, Kevos. Gosh.
I was like, that's
All
why can't I have
died.
friends?
2 E's.
Thanks for all the food.
OP
though. I appreciate it.
monster! Full
I
diamond!
just killed everyone.
Try
All
me.
the food on the ground.
Try me now.
Thanks for that.
Full diamond monster!
You have a helmet too?
Dude, he's yeah, he has helmet, sword, pants,
Yeah,
Oh my
I did
God.
that. I clutch against someone.
GG, man.
fucking golem op, and his full diamond, dude. Oh,
Oh yeah,
Hashtag-
according to DVG, we
hashtag
just have
connection
to
logs.
get full diamonds. I'm gonna
let's
go
see how
skeleton.
much fucking monster
Wait,
fucks
wait,
him up.
but we can't use shaman. We can't use
Golem.
Golem.
Follow
Shaman.
the
I'll use
Pokemon
shaman.
monster,
I'll use shaman. I'll use fully max
I'll
shaman
use creeper.
How did
with
this get?
full diamond.
God damn. I need armor, man.
I'm Navius. Do you think I should
Kebbles, I
start
think that's our
drilling with
second
the-
best thing.
What's it called, the skill?
Fully diamond with fully shaman because we can't use.
Check
Shaman's
some armor.
bullshit.
Is there like a separate file?
No, I don't think you're shooting at me like that.
I'm
Yeah,
not.
yeah,
I
for
don't
the
want
TBC, we
Oh
use
shit!
fully
You
shaman.
guys fucking me
I
up.
just had so much junk, I didn't pick up any armor.
47 HP.
Yes, I have no more school tomorrow, so I'm good.
What?
Oh shit.
We have no school. Who has school nowadays?
No,
Time to know life,
I just went home
yeah.
from school, so.
Anymore?
working.
Who has school, huh?
Everyone give up, I'm doing something productive.
No, fuck that shit. I'm not gonna know life it. I'm just gonna
Oh,
play
okay.
with friends.
No
You
life.
motherfucker! That was dumb.
That was the summer.
Yeah, I'm gonna go
before.
read it.
Wait, what's the
Yeah,
go?
freaking getting shredded by hair right now.
Gangbanging the skybase up here.
We're on a gangbang. Someone.
I keep
like
getting
gangbang,
wrecked by
someone.
you guys.
I mean, I just cleaned you up.
Monster and his OP full
Yeah.
diamond.
I lost half a heart.
Oh my god.
Jesus.
Monster,
Wait, let me see.
Monster,
Where are you?
Monster, you will lose one heart to a diamond sword. I already tried that. You will lose one heart, Monster.
Are the boots
One
problem
heart.
or what?
And that's a diamond sword too.
Yep.
Boots and the chest are problem.
Oh my
He
god.
has full diamond and a diamond.
Yeah.
Plus,
sword.
Monster,
plus
I
he deals
clutched,
massive
Monster,
damage.
Monster, I clutched a 22v1 with that.
Mine!
Okay.
Well, that's not OP at all.
Ah.
Fuck, I'm freezing! I'm freezing!
And I took off a 15 people skybase with Golem.
I mean, I thought
Okay, there's
I
a
thought the
bunch of
zombies
food in
supposed
front
to
of
be
red base, bunch of food in front of red base. I just killed all of red, and there's a fucking, like, loot pile there.
Yeah.
Go on, Navius. I
Jumping
wanna
in.
So
I
MP,
lost all my
MP,
shit,
if you
and,
can,
like-
if you are able to take out a 15 people
I got it, I
skybase
got
with
most
Golem,
of
it's OP.
Yeah.
I'm kinda
Guys,
shocked, because I
finally
left two of them
I
on low
got-
HP, and I would have been max kills.
Fuck this guy. I'm getting fucking Dumbo.
I see blood.
Oh shit.
I got most of the food, I just gotta get
Oh
out.
my
Fuckers.
god.
Kevos, I'm just gonna put it in your chest. Oh my god, monster, Jesus.
This guy's mad.
No, I've been like.
He's like fucking mad after normals. I like those people.
No, leave me alone! I'm
I
crying!
like them too because they rage at you. They
I got you guys.
and then they rage at you more.
MP for you.
MP,
Hey, I don't,
Monix,
I
you
don't,
got this.
I don't
Yeah,
appreciate
fucking.
There's a stack, there's
Appreciate
like
my
a stack of
power,
iron in
fucking-
the chest.
Where'd your chest go?
I'm at it now.
Oh,
Okay.
Jersey
holy
PMP
shit,
can't
holy
handle.
shit.
Oh, I
Let's
ran
get
into the wrong
me, let's
base.
get me.
Oh.
No.
Wait, Kevos. Wait, how many diamonds in the middle?
16, which is 32 if you're a skeleton.
Kevos, go get skeleton. Let's get 2 fully max Golem with full diamond.
No golems allowed, remember?
Momo, you can work on
Fucking
that shot,
this
man.
retard fight.
Monster, if we can get both
Oh,
full
no.
diamond, we can go
Momo, you
like,
gotta work on
Oh,
that
I got
shot,
20
man.
bread. I'm
Yo,
running.
Yeah,
I
I know,
got
I'm
the skybase on blue team. I got it.
Mavis have a lot of food.
I lost 4 hearts. I lost
This
4
roller
hearts.
coaster.
Listen,
So
I
good.
lost 4 hearts after I got my absorption hearts, and now I regen full again. While I was
Monster.
fighting.
Yeah, Monster, next game, let's both get full diamond. If Kevos can be skeleton.
Try.
Oh, damn.
Like a fucking Randy opening my chest.
Boom.
I forgot to turn off my blood, so I couldn't see shit.
Sure, I'm gonna do that.
That's my skybase right now, bitch.
Give you a nice
Navius, I'm
little
Navius.
bit.
Can I put 20 bread in your chest?
Go ahead.
He'll
No
just
problem.
take it later, don't worry.
Guys, look at my trick shots. Look at this.
Don't.
Oh! Oh! Across! Fuck this guy, man! I fucking across mapped this bitch. Oh!
Why do we have a good wall?
Oh.
It's impossible to get over.
Oh!
I know, so
Stop
annoying.
MP!
I hate walls in general.
Why are people making defenses? Jeez, this is mega walls.
Who makes defenses and mega walls
There
with
you go,
AOS?
Makes no sense.
Yeah, like defense. What is that?
Oh, Monster, you know that one
Depends,
yellow sky
honestly.
base? There's like 3 or 4 of them in there again.
I like how
Okay.
this guy took the time to gain his potion when he had no gear or whatsoever.
I like how Omnavius is like right there.
Oh my god, get away from me.
What is it,
Oh,
Omnavius?
man.
I'm just to hear
Who
about
did
it.
that?
Scares that with my explode
Let's
barrel.
go, man. Let's go, MP.
That's strafe though.
I'm gonna go rush red because I have full kills and I'm just
I like better when skeleton used to get like 30 seconds of speed.
Yeah,
People
you mean
are-
I kinda like that too.
Yeah, I kinda
Could
did,
actually
because I could
I like
use
7 minutes.
Agile to literally get 45 seconds of speed too.
Because
and
before
just
it was
wreck him
good for
1v1.
strafing, now it's bullshit for strafing.
Yeah.
Oh, so how do you do it?
You drink your speed 2 potion, then you actually shoot someone, and it's gonna
But
do
did
the
they fix
glitch,
it?
and you'll have speed 2, not speed 1.
They fix it or no?
Yeah, it's fixed.
They did?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Look at this guy, man. He's taking pro and shit.
Give me one kill.
Monster's gonna come out of nowhere and fuck him up. Oh, trying to
That
backstab
fucking
me,
bow
huh?
did a lot of damage, MP.
Oh yeah, go skeleton next game and get like 32 diamonds.
I will.
Some
You guys
Dude,
will have to protect me.
No, if you get 32 diamonds, Monster and you can get full diamond.
Yeah.
I'm Navis. What's it called?
Monster
I
and
have
his op self.
Navis.
Yeah.
What's it called? You know that
Hey,
guy that you
Monster,
just killed,
Monster,
right?
you want butt buddy when you get both full diamonds?
You know that guy that
Okay.
you just killed? I was hitting him, right?
Yeah, let's like take out a team.
I had knocked back.
I could not hit him. I did not get my ability. I hit him like twice and I got 60 powers.
I can kill those.
Success.
Come here.
I'd rather not.
Did you beat
Come
him with
here, I'm
wood?
Navius.
Yeah.
I'm
That was
friendly.
cruel.
Come on, MP, let's
Cookie,
go.
wake up. Oh, this guy's retarded.
Oh yeah, Kevin, they might change
That's too
the
hard,
wood
ignore
to
it.
full
Or
Go,
ore.
go, go, go. No.
Knock
Yeah, they
me
might
off.
change wood to
Come on,
full
MP,
ore,
let's
yeah,
go.
they
Yeah,
Aw.
Kevin, they might change wood to
Come on,
full ore.
MP, what happened?
What the fuck? I froze. No. No.
Then
Still
it
doesn't
would
count.
it
Yeah.
would still work. It would still
Really?
work.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, you
I think the
fucking
salt
strength.
didn't fix the
You have
salvaging
fucking
bug
strength.
yet.
Wow.
In my
maybe
opinion, they
that's what
just
happened.
not change it because
That
that's the original
strength
trick.
is so
Oh.
awesome. Well, I wanted to die. I lost all my
It's the
pods.
same thing. Wood and coal are the same
Monster,
thing. You
give
still
me
get.
that diamond sword.
No, I mean like
No.
why mine
Yes.
for coal anyway?
No.
It's retarded.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, I mean like they should actually like that's a good idea for wood because you can actually build defense with the wood you chop.
Yo, let me slap it with a wood! Let me!
I don't know how
What?
I killed him.
Oh.
Are you guys the ones rushing our wither? Is that just someone else?
Oh, it's us.
Not us, is it?
Wow.
Yeah, it's us. It's me and like Xcode.
That's not nice.
Come on, MP. Where are you, man?
Get in
I
the
want
world
rematch.
guard. There you go.
I'm at
Go
the
the world
wither.
guard.
You should come
Monster.
up- You should come up to my place. Up at
And
the
Come
wither.
on, let's go, MP. I want a rematch, man. That's
Okay,
fucking
come to the
strength.
wither. Come to the wither.
Miss.
Why?
Double
I saw you
tap.
just
Stop,
go up there.
yes.
Oh, I didn't want to eat.
Okay, it wasn't
Fuck
you
you.
just now.
Hey, I'm Navius.
You're
Come here. Navius, come on
You're
in.
annoying.
I'm not gonna get the kill.
Ooh, yellow's got.
Double
yeah.
tap
Boom.
180. Boom.
Bow.
Wait, what?
I like
Boom,
trick
boom,
shot.
pow.
Get him.
We got incoming.
Why not turn
Guys,
blue?
let me 1v1 this guy. Let me 1v1 this guy. I can't do that. What a knockback.
Go. That EU connection.
Lol.
Pass. GG.
Wow!
GG.
What a prick!
Run.
God!
Wait, you cast him? Wow.
I just killed this guy
that's
with
strange.
wood.
And then I killed him at 4 hearts.
I like the speed.
Wow.
The speed buff
Oh,
better
fuck
than
you.
the
You
green.
probably have strength too.
I love you, monster. I'm
I
a
like the
janitor.
regen
I'm
because it's
Navius,
really
come on.
OP. You just sit there, just spell spam,
Yeah,
and you
but-
have like full health, and you go up and
Nice
kill 'em.
fucking armor.
Yeah, I got the hit glitch. This is BS.
Oh!
I don't want to hear your excuses.
The golem with fully damage
Hey,
can take
Bulldozer with
on
the
like
dread.
15
Who was
damage.
that?
I'm gonna go kill you.
MPST, you just got wrecked. Like, holy.
Yeah, but he didn't kill me. He's.
Holy
Is someone
crap.
going for
I'm
the...
not. I'm
It's alright.
Come on,
Wither?
man.
Yeah, me.
No,
Oh,
don't kill me.
I want to see that kill feed, monster. Let me see
Hey,
that kill
hey.
feed.
Oh, get it.
I'm
get it,
Navius.
get it.
Really? Come on.
You can take that.
Come on, MP.
Really?
You can't run. You know you can't run, MP.
Wow. You don't even let me try to get any other.
I'm lowering him.
Sorry.
You're yours.
Let's go.
Oh, I'm Navius, get out. Yep. Here we go.
Aw, come on.
I call
Why
this
is
one.
there
Yes.
first-
There's two of them. There's two of them. There's two of them.
Yes! Yes! Fuck you, Omnavius!
You guys ignore the two guys AFK at
That
spawn.
was bullshit. How'd you fucking get that, Kevos?
I don't know.
know.
I wish he just like jumped off and died because I had the last hits.
Anybody wanna play arena?
Wreck this game, like holy.
Hey, fuck you, MP. Fuck you, MP.
Looks like blue is just lost the game basically.
How'd you?
Well, I'm gonna rush red.
You're so BS, man.
Wow, I lost so many hearts because of fall damage.
You're not gonna do anything to
I
red.
I saw that.
I'm gonna solo red. I'm gonna solo red.
Oh, what, did you J-hop him?
No.
And then I lag out of the server. Go.
Hey, who's in a hole?
EMP. GG, good fight.
Yeah, okay.
That's Skybase.
Skybase
still.
OP.
Weird looking skybase.
Oh shit, a CP.
Come on, try. Let's go at the same time. Wait, did you have max kit ending day after you did?
Yeah, now I do, yeah.
Yeah,
Wish I
you're
had
not
my
a scrub
TP.
anymore.
I know, I look like such a scrub. Now people can play and I'm only good because of my max skip.
Alright.
GG. You up here?
Yep, I TP'd already.
Alright,
Yeah, I'm not even gonna try that.
Oh, he fell off.
Oh my god, they're terrible. Gaz would have wrecked this one.
Oh, wait for me, I want to go up there too.
Oh, can I have this one, Gaz?
I missed the pump jump again.
I saw that.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, now it's going ham. There are like 10 people on me!
Maybe
HP
because
monster.
they're full diamond and also rushing their wither.
Did you die with all your armor, monster?
Wait, I just nearly killed everyone!
Nearly? What happened after nearly?
Okay, I cleaned up.
Are you alive?
Just go
You
finish
probably lost
it.
nothing. They're gonna go through
Monster's
wither.
probably there, just like.
I haven't died once.
Guys, can you kill it? Can you kill it?
Yeah,
Because there
I
are
died
like
once.
20 guys behind me now.
We're not gonna do anything to it.
Yeah.
It's
Oh
like
my
the
god.
edges.
I just blew
Okay.
this poor zombie.
Let's go for it, let's go.
Guys, please, otherwise I'm gonna die.
Oh shit.
Because I'm
Oh,
taking
nigga.
like 20 guys!
Let's go, we're going!
I have strength, I
Go,
can't
go, 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 go!
You're good! Go, go, go!
So say thank you for the easy kill feat now. Look, they're all unarmored.
Try guy, you just KS me.
Oh, take it.
Wait,
slime.
Monster, how much height does your skill do?
Oh shit.
I don't know. Wait, I got
maybe
probably a
somebody did not
problem.
cast that.
No, don't cast. Don't cast that.
He has a lot of HP, man.
Lead sniper coming. Oh.
Oh, dig down. Oh, he's dead. He's
Oh
You
wow.
sniped that. You actually would've
Oh
killed
wow.
me before
I'm
too.
gonna
dying, like honestly.
I'm gonna
I just
upload
wanna
that
die.
because that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 kills at once.
Nice.
I feel bad for the last guy. He's probably shitting himself right now.
It's like,
It's already dead.
GG. We
GG.
absolutely wrecked. Oh my
Lucky
god.
you cheated on him.
Okay, I think Golem really needs a nerf. If it got full diamond, it's so ridiculous.
Yeah, now it's
That's-
two full diamond
That
golems.
used to be Shaman when the bug, the wolf bug.
Someone suggested
No,
40
because
kills
the
if you're an
the
MVP plus.
AOE is so, and the observation hearts do the most difference between
But
Shaman
aren't
and.
they glitched? Do you have to,
No, I have 4.
No, it's fixed. It's
I have
fixed.
4.
Oh.
1,000. Alright, I'm just gonna wait.
I have 4
Frozen?
because I have
Okay.
it on 7.
Okay, let's see what's on the boards. Frozen Egypt.
I'm near you.
You guys wanna go Egypt?
Oh no, we have to go